the 7 vegan recipes that will keep you young forever. Have you ever caught yourself wishing for a way to stop time? What if I told you that the secret to staying young doesn't come in a bottle or an expensive treatment? It's actually on your plate. Yes, the foods you eat every day can have a powerful impact on how youthful you look and feel. And the best part? These anti-aging foods are not only plant-based, but also incredibly easy to find, delicious, and probably sitting in your kitchen right now. Today, we're diving into the 7 best vegan foods that not only help you fight the signs of aging, but also boost your overall health. Ready to unlock the secret to youthful skin, strong muscles, and a sharp mind, all while sticking to a vegan diet? Stick around because this list will change the way you think about food forever. Welcome back to the Unseen Flavors, where we explore how plant-based eating can transform your health, your body, and your life. In today's video, I'm going to share 7 amazing vegan foods that can help slow down the aging process, inside and out. We're talking about foods that nourish your skin, protect your heart, and keep you energized as you age. And guess what? These foods aren't rare or expensive, they're affordable, everyday options that can easily become part of your routine. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to add to your grocery list to live longer, healthier, and with that youthful glow we all crave. 1. Avocados, the green magic for skin and heart. Let's start with one of my all-time favorite superfoods, avocados. I mean, who doesn't love a perfectly ripe avocado on toast, right? But did you know that, besides being delicious, avocados are packed with nutrients that keep your skin looking youthful? These little green powerhouses are full of healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, that help maintain skin elasticity and moisture. You know that dewy, youthful glow everyone's after? Avocados help make that happen from the inside out. But the benefits don't stop there. Avocados are also amazing for heart health. The omega-9 fatty acids in them help lower bad cholesterol and improve circulation, which means your heart stays strong as you age. Whether you're slicing it into a salad, blending it into a smoothie, or just eating it with a little salt and lemon, avocados are a must for your anti-aging arsenal. Plus, they're so versatile, you can even use them in desserts like chocolate mousse or vegan brownies. Now that's a win-win for your taste buds and your skin. 2. Dark chocolate, a guilt-free treat for longevity. Okay, I know what you're thinking, chocolate as an anti-aging food. Yes, you heard me right, but we're not talking about any chocolate here. It's all about dark chocolate. When eaten in moderation, dark chocolate can actually be a powerful tool in the fight against aging. It's loaded with flavonoids, which are antioxidants that help protect your skin from free radicals, the nasty little molecules that speed up the aging process. Think of dark chocolate as a shield for your skin. And here's the best part. Dark chocolate also improves blood flow, which is great for heart health. It even boosts your mood thanks to its magnesium content, which reduces stress and anxiety. And let's be honest, stress is a big player when it comes to premature aging. So the next time you indulge in a piece of dark chocolate, just know you're giving your body a little anti-aging boost. Whether you enjoy it on its own or melt it over some fruit for a healthy dessert, dark chocolate is the sweet treat your body and skin will thank you for. 3. Broccoli, the underrated anti-aging superstar. Let's talk about a vegetable that doesn't always get the love it deserves, broccoli. You might be surprised to learn just how powerful this humble green veggie is when it comes to anti-aging. Broccoli is loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, all of which are key players in keeping your skin healthy and your immune system strong. and a strong immune system is crucial as we age. But what makes broccoli really stand out is its high fiber content, which helps keep your digestive system running smoothly. A healthy gut means better nutrient absorption, and that translates to more glowing skin and a healthier body overall. Want an easy way to enjoy broccoli? Try roasting it with a little olive oil and garlic for a tasty side dish that's both delicious and incredibly good for you. Or toss it into your stir fries for a quick and nutritious meal. Either way, your body will thank you. 4. Garlic, the mighty immune booster. Now, this next food might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think about anti-aging, but garlic is a true superfood. It's been used for centuries for its medicinal properties, and when it comes to protecting your heart and immune system, garlic really shines. Garlic helps lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve circulation, which are all essential for aging gracefully. But that's not all. Garlic is also rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties, which is key to slowing down the aging process. Chronic inflammation is one of the main drivers of aging, so including garlic in your diet is a simple yet effective way to keep your body youthful. Just toss a few cloves into your sauces, soups, or roasted veggies, and you'll be giving your body an anti-aging boost with every bite. 5. Tomatoes. Sun protection from the inside out. Let's move on to tomatoes, one of the most powerful anti-aging foods for your skin. The magic here is in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin from UV damage. We all know how the sun can speed up aging, causing wrinkles and dark spots, but eating tomatoes regularly can help reduce these effects from the inside out. Tomatoes also improve skin elasticity, making it firmer and less prone to wrinkles. Whether you're tossing them into a salad, cooking them into a sauce, or even making a homemade tomato soup, there are so many ways to enjoy the anti-aging benefits of tomatoes. And trust me, your skin will love you for it. 6. Nuts and seeds. Small but mighty anti-aging heroes. Next up, let's talk about nuts and seeds. These tiny but mighty foods are packed with vitamin E, which is essential for protecting your skin from oxidative damage. Ever notice how your skin feels dry and less elastic as you age? That's where vitamin E comes in. It helps keep your skin hydrated and soft. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are all fantastic options. They're also rich in healthy fats and antioxidants, making them a perfect snack for anyone looking to slow down the aging process. You can sprinkle them on your oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or simply snack on them throughout the day. Just a handful a day can work wonders for your skin and overall health. 7. Leafy greens, the ultimate detox and glow food. And last but certainly not least, leafy greens like spinach and kale. These greens are packed with vitamins and minerals that not only detox your body, but also keep your skin glowing. They're rich in antioxidants that help fight off the free radicals responsible for skin aging. Folate, found in leafy greens, plays a crucial role in cell repair, which means your body can regenerate and heal faster, keeping you looking younger for longer. Whether you're blending them into green smoothies, tossing them into salads, or sauteing them with garlic, for double the anti-aging power, leafy greens should be a staple in your daily diet if you want to stay youthful and energized. Call to action. So, there you have it, the 7 vegan foods that can help you look and feel younger. These foods aren't just for your skin, they nourish your heart, muscles, and mind as well. The secret to anti-aging isn't found in a pill or cream. It's in these simple, whole plant-based foods that work wonders for your body. Now that you've got the full list, are you ready to start adding them to your diet and see the results for yourself? It's It's never too late to start. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Unseen Flavors for more tips on how to live a vibrant, healthy life. And be sure to check out our next video where we dive into more amazing vegan foods that will keep you energized and glowing.